Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday, 2024, May 15. So today we'll be cover pretty much of stocks, which is there are two stocks will be covered by two research house, picking by two research house same day. So let's starting with the disclaimer. Or the video or the stock mentioned in this video is serving as learning purposes. It's not buying, selling call for the viewer subscriber. Let's starting with the overnight US market. Overnight US market S&P Dow Jones up by 0.4, 0.3%, while the Nasdaq standing on the records up by 0.7%. So Nasdaq jumped to record close, Dow Jones at more than 100 points ahead of consumer inflation reports. So later we'll check on the indexes. We check on the news. Upcoming data may help how well, but trend will prevail to put high on federal tables. So we'll check on the CPI. CPI coming soon. Let's check on the indexes for the Nasdaq. So as what we can see right here, the Nasdaq is now at the record high. 16,500 levels, closing high. So as I mentioned, upon breaking above this box, the trending will be going higher. Okay, so it managed to break the record high. So we check on the S&P. Yeah, soon, I believe maybe tonight you set to the record. Dow Jones similar to the S&P as well, so the trending pretty much similar, while the Nasdaq is now trending ahead in advanced index. So we check on the index for the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index, so as what we see here, the trending is already up more than 10% for the past 2 weeks times. So it's now closing above 19,000s. So overnight we can see that the market is open high but closed lower. So the trending might be seems to be profit takings, and comes together with the overnight Alibaba come with lower than expected results, and it dropping. Let us check the charts in the US Alibaba. So how much it dropped? It dropped by 6%. So in fact we can check on the index. 2 days ago it did jump 5% higher, then it come back down with a dodgy route here. So I would say this trending 44 million share trade overnight seems to be so too much. We will still need to monitoring, see the trending within this box, any new direction coming in. So I can draw a trading box right over here. So see if upcoming trending for the Alibaba listed in the US will be trending above or lower of this box. So you're telling the upcoming trendings. But in current point of view, I would say I'm still positive for the Alibaba. So we check on the maybe in the listed in Hong Kong one. Perhaps the Alibaba listed in Hong Kong will be coming down, similar to the US Nasdaq trending. So we can see right here, maybe it will come back now toward $80, right? No, Hong Kong dollars, $80 right over here. So we will need to monitor, see the trending will be still continue for the uptrending. So at this level, we can check on the larger picture right here. This one is a larger picture. We can draw a trading box right over here. This one is the major trending for the past 6 to 7 months. So you can see the trading sideways, come here, come down, come here, come down, it's come here, then it's starting to break. So I did manage to calling to buy investing into China for the past 1 month. It's somewhere around here. So it seems to be a regret to be dropped below the support, and it bounced back. So I managed to call buy or investing into China markets at this stage. So similar to Hong Kong's. So we go back to the Hong Kong index Hang Seng's. So I calling buy at this trending range. I believe it's on 22nd, right? If not mistaken. Yes, 20 seconds. Maybe in the morning, maybe 22nd or 23rd morning briefing, I did mention about investing into Hong Kong market, and it managed to bring us the positive trend right over there. I believe if you are invested into China, Hong Kong, since then you're already in profit more than 10%, right? Yep. So we check on the local KLCI market. How is the trending in the local KLCI market? So KLCI is still on the uptrending, up by 2 points, closing at 1605 level. So it's now on the strong resistance range, which is 1600 to 1620 level, which is 20-point resistance, which is very strong resistance over there. I believe it will flirting within the range for quite some while for resting, because it's already climbing up pretty much for the past 1 month times. So it's starting from the 1840 to 1600, which is around 60 points. So pretty much a lot for the indexes. Okay, so we check on the stock pick by the research houses. The first one will be by MBank, Avalan. Avalan has been picked by 2 research houses. So we check on the stock picks. So we can see the trending is moving upside. Yeah? The trending is very healthy at this current stage, and overnight Avalan is climbing higher to break resistance, closing at 37 cents. And based on the MBank trading plan, stop loss level given is 33 cents, followed by the target 40 cents and 45 cents, which is the blue line, 40 cents and 45 cents. Another research house will be giving more aggressive target with a stop loss level pretty similar at 33 cents, and the target given was 41 cents and 5.2 which is yellow line over here. So in total you have 4 targets, 40 cents, 41, 45 and 5.2. 2 research houses picking for the same stocks with the same stop loss level, but the target you have 4 target given. So if you are training for this one, you will be more flexible in between, because make sure you stick to their stop loss level 33 cents. Okay, or maybe I would suggest you may adjust it slightly higher, 33.5 or 34, somewhere around there. I would suggesting to adjust it higher, or you wait for the pullback to entry. So yep, this one. And the next topic would be by CGS Carrymin. Carrymin Petroleum, this one is on a sideways trending, is potential trending breaking higher resistance. Overnight closing at 9.8, stop loss level given is 8.7, while the target given is 103, 112 and 1223 bull line right over there, pretty much standard of the resistance. So if you're entering for this one, I was suggesting you wait for the pullback. You wait for the pullback before you entry. Yep. So the next stock will be SMRT. SMRT. So this one is playing for the rebounding and the swing. So you can see the trending has been pulling back for 2 months time. It's now starting climbing higher, and yep, climbing higher, closing overnight closing 9.6. Stop loss level given is 8.75, seem to be more than 12% around there. Target given is 103 and 114. If you are entering for this one, still again I was suggesting you entry for a lower range. Maybe you wait for the pullback. Target you can stick to the same 8.7, but you wait for the pullback. Pullback will be somewhere around 9.3 or 9.4 will be better entry. Okay. So the next research house will be by M+, SSEB Engineering. So this one is on the sideways trending. It's already bounced off for the 200-day moving average. It's now rebounding. So at current stage, is in a very near term, short term is now seems to be showing uptrending, but it's not so obvious yet. Anyhow, their stock calling for the buy above 104, meaning that if their stock open at 105, you already can buy. Okay, and the stop loss level given is 1 ringgit, target is 108,112. But the trading plan seems to be very small, short duration trading, intraday or contra trading only, because you can check on the gap of the price of target and stop loss is too narrow. It's too narrow for the traders, so it's not suitable for everyone, because you need to monitor the price quite regular for this type of stocks. So the next stock will be BTech, BrightTech. So consolidation breakout technicals. So this one, consolidations breakout play. Breakout play, I would not so agree to that. It haven't breakout yet. They mentioned buy above 3-4 half, right? Buy above 3-4 half, meaning that 3-5 considering breakout, but the volume is not so encouraging at current stage. Anyhow, if you're buying at 3-5, so based on the line, there are two research house picking the same stock as well, so you can take it as a reference for you. And if you are based on M plus, you are buying at 3-5, and target stop loss level given is 3 half, target would be 3-6 and 3.5. So the strategy for the M plus, which would be pretty much like a very short term playing, meaning that they are day traders or contra players only, because the targets and the stop loss level is so narrow. So in this case, if you are playing for the BrightTech, these stocks, I was suggesting you use another trading plans, which is another research house. Stop loss level given would be 3.1 half, target is 4.2 half, and then followed by 4.4 half. Okay, if you want to trade for this one, anyhow, this is not my favorite chart pattern. So the next stock would be by IHP. Awalan already mentioned earlier, so I will skip for that one. Next one will be Amazaki, AZRB. So this one, they are calling for the buy pending breakout above 25 cents. Awalan closing 3.24 half. So meaning that you are buying at 2.5 or 2.55, maybe they are calling for the 2.55 breakout, and then stop loss level given will be 22 cents. If you are buying at 2.5, stop loss level 22 cents, your gap is 3 cents, so your stop loss level is more than 12% already, so seems to be not reasonable. Anyhow, you can do some adjustment if you want to trade for the buy breakout. So you can use the Maybank platform to place buy stop limit order to assist you, so you don't need to monitor price regularly. So technically you are buying at 2.55, so I was suggesting you adjust your stop loss level will be somewhere around 2.3, because you are buying breakout. Whenever you're buying breakout, you need to adjust your stop loss level higher. Okay, and the target given will be by IHP will be 29 and 33 cents. So as per the charting right here, so the target given would be pretty much standard. And so the next research house will be by UOB Aemulus. So this one is also picked by two research houses, and so this one is major sideways trending. So from what we can see right over there, but overnight we can see there are 13 million shares traded. The price is moving higher. There's a nice swing right over there, and the stop loss level given by them would be 3.1 half. Target is 4.4 half and 4.9 half. So the blue line right over there. Another research house will be given slightly higher of stop loss level 3.2 half. Target would be 40 cents and 4.55. So you have 4 target givens, and you can take the higher lower stop loss level, which is 3.2 half, as your guideline. So since we come in here, if you are trading for the Aemulus, I was suggesting you wait for the pullback to entry. If you are entry for this one, wait for the pullback for entry. So you stick your stop loss level would be 3.5, and you have 4 target as your guideline. Another would be BTEC, already mentioned earlier, so I'll skip for this one. Next will be Chinwell. So technical buy on breakout 126, we can see that overnight the trending is already ranging, closing at 123. They are playing for the breakout at 126. Seems to be, this is not my favorite trending chart pattern, because it's now still on the major downtrendings. Although the volume seems to be coming in for the past 1 month, but it's not strong enough. And anyhow, if you want to trade for their trading plan, you can stick to their trading plan. Target given would be stop loss level given is 118, so seems to be more or less acceptable within 10%, and the target given would be 139 and 148. Okay, so the next research house, the last research house will be by Maybank Investment Bank. The first one will be JHM. So JHM, so pretty much like a downtrending stock as well. So this one, the major sideways trending will be back into end of 2002. So it's break down in February, end of February this year, and there's a gap brower there. So I believe this one is calling for the potential closing gap. Only closing 6.4, stop loss level given would be 5.9, and the target given would be the closing gap range 70 cent and 78 cent level, right? So the next, again, this one is not my favorite styles. You need to find something suited to your trading behavior. If you like it, you may follow their trading plan. So this one is Salutica Berhad. So this one is sideways trending with a potential breakout for the uptrendings resistance. So overnight closing 84 cent with a volume 3.6 million share traded. Stop loss level given is 7.6 half. Target is 92 half 104. Yeah, okay. I believe they are calling for this one. They are expecting to break the resistance, right? Which is 84 cent half, somewhere around there. And the last stock, Mulus, is already mentioned earlier. I'm going to share all the charting stock picks by the research house in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. You can find the link at the bottom description level. And if you're interested to open account, you can check in the description for the video to guide you through how to open account with Maybank, which is a reliable platform to you. 如果有兴趣开户口的话，可以在下面找到链接，有视频教导你怎样去开户口了啊。And I believe that's all for today. Happy trading. Goodbye.